Alright guys, so we're here at Walmart. We're in the parking lot. Just kind of going to show you an idea of what I'm doing for the baby in bloom theme for the baby shower. And we're cutting out the wooden little stakes that are going to go into the party favor, but this is the idea of what I am trying to do. So let me show you really quick. Okay. So let's go inside. We're going to see if we can find some succulents. We're definitely going to need some burlap or some kind of burlap ribbon with some kind of lace on it. And it's going to look so cute. All right, so let's go inside. So I walked into the garden center here at Walmart and I immediately noticed all of the succulent area, and I found some really cute ones, some big ones, some full ones, and some small ones. Since they were a party favor for the baby shower, I thought the small ones were perfect, so I went ahead and I grabbed those. After I was done with the garden center, I went ahead and I headed over to the craft section in Walmart, and I found some really beautiful chalk paints that would match perfectly with the colors that I was using in the baby shower. Some dark greens, some light greens, a blush pink, and to help me make the blush pink have different shades, I used the red. Okay, so again, we just got back from Walmart. We are gonna go ahead and make these really cute party favors for the baby shower that we're gonna be doing for my friend. We're gonna need a nail gun, some nails, some glue. We're gonna decorate it with some burlap, some paints on some of the glassware. We're gonna be putting some really cute ribbon around it. The reason why I have this awkward red color is so if I need to tint this pink darker shade, I can. And then of course, we're gonna be making the boxes, our bloom boxes, which I'm so excited about. And we will have these on our website available to purchase if you wanna DIY this craft yourself. It's gonna be based per letter charge, so it will have free shipping. Just make sure to check out our website, and we'll make sure to drop the link below on this plan. This is gonna be so much fun, this project. So let's get started. And I jumped right on the panel saw to get all of my pieces that I was gonna use for my bloom box that I will show you later on in the video. All right, so I'm gonna jump onto our CO2 laser. This machine is the coolest machine ever. If you're ever thinking about investing in this particular machine or one just like it, I would say do it. I mean, there's no harm in trying to see if this is something that will do so well, but as of right now, we've had it for about a year and it's already paid for itself. So we've been doing lots of projects on this laser. I'm gonna jump on here. I got a really pretty, this is called Beach. It's a beechwood fly. It has an MDF core, but it's a scrap left over from a different project. So because I'm doing some party favors, we're using a lot of scrap around the shop, I was like, you know what, we might as well just see what we can build and make for the baby shower, stay within the budget of the baby shower, what we wanna do, and still make it look cute. So I had this left over from a project that we did, and so I'm gonna be making the cute little signs that are gonna go on the plant. So let me go ahead and get started. I absolutely love this CO2 laser machine. My husband was the first one actually to get on it and kind of get everything dialed in, learn all the videos, things regarding the CO2 laser, and then he showed me how to use it. So I'm pretty excited that I get to pretty much do a lot of projects on this, not only for the community, or for teachers and things like that, crafts. I cut out ghosts and pumpkins and things like that for the classrooms, and it also engraves, so that's pretty cool. All right, so my machine is cutting. While that is cutting, it's gonna take a good minute. I didn't get to check to see on the actual program how long it would take. It's something that you can do if you're wanting to see how long the project will take. It's gonna take a minute because not only is it engraving, it's also cutting. So that is gonna take a minute. Anytime you're gonna be doing engraving on this machine, it is going to take a hot minute. So we're gonna jump right here and we're gonna start wrapping these, getting these all ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and probably put like a splash of water just to keep them nice and cool, because it is Texas, it is summer, so we wanna make sure that that does not interfere with the plants dying by Sunday. So we're gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of water, just some moisture, just to keep them nice and moist. Remember, these are succulents. They don't need a lot of water, a lot of maintenance, but you do have to take care of them. So before I start wrapping them in the burlap, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bits of water to each just to keep them nice and moist. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. While my Baby in Bloom boards are cutting, those are gonna be inserted into here for my party favors. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting started on these. So I saw this party favor online because I was looking for things that I wanted to do for the Baby in Bloom theme. And one of the things that I saw was the, succulent party favors. And I was like, oh, this is so cute. I can definitely do this. It'll be super easy to make, especially since I have that CO2 laser, I can do it myself. And there's nothing better and more satisfying than doing a project yourself. After I was done putting everything together, my machine was done cutting out and engraving, I was on to the sticks. Those sticks, I used a Titebond glue that I get on Amazon, and I can drop a link below. It's pretty fast drying. I just have to put a little dot, press it for about 10 seconds, and it dries that fast. So after I was done with that, we just put them in the little pots, and voila, they turned out so cute. So if you're ever thinking about getting a CO2 laser, it not only cuts, it also engraves, and the party favors turned out so cute. After I was done with the Baby in Bloom party favors, I was on to my balloon boxes. Now, I got an idea of doing it like this baby stackable boxes, but instead of spelling baby, I was going to spell bloom. So I had a lot of scrap wood around the shop, and I love to use scrap wood around the shop because I don't like getting rid of my scrap wood. You can ask my husband. I'm a hoarder with my scrap wood, especially if it's scrap wood. I can make some really, really cute stuff. And I thought, what a great idea that I can make some balloon boxes for the decorative arch that I was going to be using at the baby shower. So I did have some other scrap wood that I was able to make some really cute squares. After I was done cutting and engraving those, I went ahead and I stained them a light color. And then I started using that red that I had in the previous video. Or early in the video, I'm sorry, on that color that I was able to tint the pink using red paint. And it turned out so cute. I absolutely loved it. So after I was done with the bloom box project, I was onto this project. So Jalen gave me an idea to do a welcome board that has been trending on TikTok. And one of the things that she told me, she was like, hey, why don't you use the CO2 laser to get all the stuff cut, and then we can make the box. So we went ahead and we got some scrap wood, got a big board. We ended up leaving the wood stained softly so that way it would go well with the theme. Remember, the theme is Baby in Bloom. So I was really, really pretty excited that we were able to do this, and it turned out so pretty. She absolutely loved it, and if you watch later in the video, I actually have a video of what it looked like whenever we were done with it. So it turned out really, really cute. Guys, so this is it. Needless to say, Jalen just told me that I just saved $300 from doing this myself, and I love it. Oh my goodness. We actually had these flowers from whenever we picked them for some spring craft classes that we did, and then also we decorated with them outside on our front patio for spring. So yeah, we've had these flowers for about 2 years, so they've been sitting around. I thought, you know what, that would be cute to use them for the baby shower. just so we can stay on budget, and we are. So thanks, Janet, for this good pointer. This is so pretty. I love it. And here it is, guys. Oh my gosh, this was so cute. This was such a fun project. Everything that we did using our CO2 laser was absolutely amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notification for more videos, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.